Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We're on the mining platform, I guess. Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called, but trying to find some phase quartz. Head to the mining hub, which is here, I guess. These are all miners.
Ah, this is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The chief engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You're just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia.
Okay.
These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't
Is this
really
good?
blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizar in my dimension, this one could be next.
Let's see, where's the chef at? He's over here, supposedly. The chef or the chief? Is that what it says? It says find the missing chef. Is this the... Okay, I don't talk to anybody here. Maybe this guy? Is it this way? Find the missing chef.
Excuse me. If you're going that way, could you look around for Chef Tulio? She was supposed to be back with ingredients an hour ago. Don't know if she's hurt.
Sure, I can keep an eye out.
Okay, so we can find a chef.
Appreciate it. These miners have had a rough time today, so we're gonna cook up a storm to help if Tulio ever gets back here.
My enforcer is level 3. Let's put that over here for now and see what happens. We can go take care of these guys a little bit.
I am picking up a radio transmission.
You then, with the fuzz in the ears, how would you like to help create
Whoops.
our galaxy's next food dish of the century? Don't answer, it's rhetorical. Just make your way up to Crystal Ridge, and we shall get started.
Crystal
Chef
Ridge.
Tulio, I presume? She sounds unhurt. I wonder what has been keeping her from returning to the miners.
Let's see, where's that at? That's up here. Let's go back to the miners for now, because we may have to go this way anyway. We can cover this a little bit later. We'll get back to you, girl.
Shortly. Chef Tulio, thanks you for your patience. Why can't anything go right today?
Alright, we want to go talk to the chief miner. He's over here. He's probably hungry too. Health is good. Oh, there's our little girl at. We should buy some more ammo while we're here. What the hell, why not? We have a lot of money.
You break it, you buy it!
Load up.
Thanks for shopping, cutie pie!
I believe we are close to the survey station. The decorations here are slightly more colorful than in my dimension.
Bolts, focus.
Oh, sorry.
Where are we going? We're going this way? Nope. I should be going that way, but I guess I'm going this way. There we go. Alright, now where to? Still go this way, I guess, eh?
You looking for the chief engineer?
I am.
That safety lift to get to the site.
Okay.
Thanks.
Dimensional damage seems to be getting worse.
It's kind of pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way.
That was bad. Crash land. Okay.
There. That must be the chief engineer.
Where? In front of me? Okay.
Hello?
He's hiding.
Do you hear that?
No.
voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the Quakes and the Blizar. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. I know it's safe.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
Okay, we need to go find the space bots. We want to do that, or we want to do the chef? Let's go back and do the chef, because I saw some rare titanium over there. Okay, let's go back and do the chef real quick. Maybe we can't. There is no returning there, eh? Oh, well that's kind of sucks. I can't go back? Can I call it? Oh, that's interesting. It just kind of locks you here. Well, thanks a lot, game, for the warning. Okay, so we gotta go this way. We have no choice. We'll get the chef later. That looks like our dimensional anomaly over there. Lots of lava. Okay, so we're gonna take another lift. Is this the way we're going? This is the way we're going. We're gonna take another lift.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
Safety first. Try not to trip, slip, or break anything.
Was it too much to ask that we be able to find phase quartz without dodging earthquakes and lava?
All right. Oh my god. So I have to dodge lava too, eh? Have to time this? I guess so.
There! One of my bots is up there! It's awesome bomb.
Okay, we leveled that one up. Awesome. Okay, where's the bot? Where did he say the bot was? One of my bots is up there. That must be the bot. Can't tell. Locate the science bots. Okay. There's some stuff up there. Can I go this way? I cannot. Okay, we need to go back this way. And we're going in the cave.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers. Follow. Be quick.
Follow and be quick.
Okay. Please come. Oh goodness. Oh no.
Okay, that looks dangerous.
Hurry. Hurry. Scorched fur smells awful.
Okay.
The Blizar. Strike. Strike now.
Uh-oh. And going up there, huh? Okay.
Feels so so good to be a...
Finally, a decent connection. I need to warn you about it. Very dangerous.
That could describe almost anything on this planet.
Indeed, we should be cautious.
I am overheating. If only I could sweat. I must flee.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. If I know Jim, that's where he'd head first.
Jim?
Okay.
Oh, right. Another bot. On it.
That way, huh? Okay. Where am I at now? Same place I was before? I guess. There's a bunch of stuff I missed down here, though. Let's see. Or up there. Oh yeah, there's the rift. How do I get up to that? Let's go check that out while we're here. Okay, now there's a rift up here. Let's see. It's up there. Is that a rift? That's not a rift, is it? Or an anomaly? Let's see. Hold on. Okay, that's hot. Okay, we can't get up there from here. Unless there's another pull toy. I don't see one. I guess I gotta come in from up there. We gotta get in. Let's see. We have to get into... I don't know how to get up there. Or that's just right. I just came from there, maybe. It's possible, I guess. Okay. We're going. Which way? I forgot. I'm going this way, but am I in the wrong level now? Maybe I just screwed up. Because I think I'm supposed to be up there. I don't see a way across here. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to be up there, and I was coming down to there. Huh. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Really? Let's see where it's going to drop me off. Maybe it'll put me back where I belong.
We have one part of the message. Hopefully the rest will help us understand what happened to your Blizar.
It's Clank Day.
Let's see. Let's do a grenade.
Robo-Muncher outfit.
Okay, that's where we're going. And then this way... Oh, that's another thing. We don't want to do that just yet, I'm guessing. Don't hit that. We want to go this way. Here's put the enforcer on again for little creatures. What the hell? Okay. Uh-oh.
That was close.
I shattered that one. So we're not using that one. Yeah, that one kind of bit it. Okay, so now what?
Behind the safety glass.
Yeah, it is behind safety glass. And then there's one over here. So can I use this one? What's the chances of this one working? Let's see. Locate the science lab bots. Okay, he's over there. But it looks like the only way to get in there is through here. Alright, let's see what happens.
Stop and listen. It's damaged. We will destroy. You don't need it that badly.
Okay.
Perhaps she is talking about the safety protocols. I know I find red tape constricting.
Makes as much sense as anything.
So do I do this again? Let's see.
Identified non-hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
Yes.
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
So he can just kind of go through
Identified
this?
Hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best
Okay, now what do we do? I'm still searching for bots, I guess. Locate the science bots. Do I have to destroy that? So he just went right through this little safety window thing here, eh? Where do I gotta go? So I have to get out of here. Oh, there's another one there, another one there. That's how I get out of here, I guess. Because I can't do this, right? Oh, yes, I can. Whoa, okay, sorry. Okay, we don't want to go that way, we want to go this way.
You see something over there? Must have gone into that cave.
How many bombs do we have? We have 8 bombs, okay.
Zombie there that's got a throw. That's over.
Yep, still me. Bros, 0, non-bros. I've lost count.
Let's see, do we have any health over here? I don't see any. Okay, so we're going this way, I guess. Part where the battle's going on over there. Okay, so I can't use this. Do I have to use this dimension thing to get there? That looks crazy. Oh, there's bugs over there. So now, maybe the topiary sprinkler will work on bugs. Let's try it again.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Okay.
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Do I gotta go here?
A fair point.
Now what? Alright, let's get the topiary sprinkler ready.
platforms. Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the bots.
I can do another one? No, I can't. Here we go. I don't know what Oh, wrong weapon. Where's my electric weapon? Oh, I don't have my electric weapon. Okay. Alright. Ammo. Really?
Let the shenanigans begin!
And I have my enforcer though, right? I do. Okay, so we gotta do this again.
Bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it.
Yeah, there is. We know how. What's this up here? Oh, I see. Oh, tricky game. I gotta put this thing over there first before I do that, I think. Let's see. I don't know.
Oh! The crane moved the crystal!
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Let's see if it does. I don't know. We're gonna find out if that was a good move or not. That was a good move.
Dimensional something or other. Really ruined the safety record. Please, let's retire.
Hey, bot.
Charming accent.
Okay.
Turn into chief engineer with important message.
Oh, Sam, always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
How do I get back? Is there an easy way to get back? I guess we're going this way, huh? I hear a bunch of other battles going on over there. Oh, we're going this way? Yeah, okay. Alright, can I go back up and find the chief now after this one? Let's see. Is that a doorbell? Oh no.
Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Alright.
Don't worry, I designed the security system myself. Except that motion sensors are staying there inside the house.
Okay, here we go.
The ceiling. I always forget to look up. What the heck is that thing?
I don't know. We gotta get.
Unknown.
Okay, so this requires the neutron collider.
Life forms. Unknown. Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
Have you now?
alarms no longer detected. Security walls disarmed. And have a blazing Blizar day.
Give me some health.
Phew.
Since I saved you.
Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. You guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
We can use the drill. Follow Jim. But, can we go back?
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Yes.
Sure?
Happy noises.
Okay, that's where the drill is. We can't go back yet, can we? Well, looks like we can.
To our phase Quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
So, it's going that way anyway. What do we got over here? Is this ammo? No, that's just the robot doing something. Alright, we'll go back this way then, which is the way it wants us to go, which is awesome. That's the way we want to go. Alright, let's go.
That can't be good.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
Oh, well, thank you.
Best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time.
Alright, I need some health.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike
Let's
it. if you
see.
dislike it.
What, well, that looks nasty, eh? Let's see, is there a vendor here? Looks like she's right here somewhere. Where is she? There she is. Oh, right here. Let's get some ammo and health. Come on.
Thanks
Alright.
for choosing Mr. Holmes.
Let me see. Upgrades. What do we got for upgrades? We have 17. The glider. What do we got down here? This is max ammo. Charge beam duration. Let's grab these two. Charge beam duration. Right. Now what does this say? Charge each shot faster. Sure, why not? We might as well grab this one too because this is going to give me more ammo. Yeah. Okay.
I do like the sight of that.
And I upgraded something else. Got upgraded. Let's see, which was it? Mr. Fungi. He must have got upgraded a little bit. He's level 3. Shatter Bomb is level 4. Okay. The Enforcer. He's level 4. Ricochet is level 4. Drill Hound. I keep forgetting about him. We have to level him up a little bit too. Let's go with the Enforcer for now. What do these do over here? Shots knocks enemies further back. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this, eh? There we go.
You're gonna love that upgrade.
Yeah, we are. A Shatter Bomb. What does this do? Enemies near effect take maximum damage. I can't get enough here, can I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can. There we go. Maximum damage. Okay, we're good. And we have anything more to upgrade? We do not. Can't buy anything more? Okay, we're good.
Hate to see you go, sugar.
Alright, so we can, at this point, let's see. At this point we can go either way. We can go get the chef or we can go to the anomaly. Which, the anomaly is going to be cool, I'm sure. It's another platforming game. I don't know what the chef is doing. So let's call it a video right here. And then we'll decide which way to go from here. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.